One is the pulse. It goes bum, 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 down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Lesson 2 is syncopation. That's any pattern that pulls against the main pulse. This makes you want to shake your body. This makes you want to move. 3 is kicks. We do 4 on the floor or playful. Break it up a bit. We can go hard or we can go deep. Let's stay with deep. Now fill up the lows. Give your kick something to bounce off. A rumble like this, or some toms maybe, or maybe a bass. It's up to you. Let's stick with rumble. And the way to have fun with bass is to scoop it up, build tension, and then drop it. Lesson 5 is to add a 909. That's a classic drum machine. Working up the sweat now. We're working up the sweat now. Groove baby, groove baby, groove baby, groove baby. Lesson 6 is acid. That can be any synthesizer, but the 303 stays classic. Think in terms of geometry. You can go up, and you can go down, or you can do a squiggle. Combine all these elements to have a good time. Let's have a good time. Number 7 is a polymeter. That's just a phrase that's too long or that's too short. Too short, 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 too short. And number 8 is a reflection on fullness and emptiness. We can play with fullness, where we fill things, 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 and then bring it back to emptiness. We always bring it back to the pulse and the syncopation. We articulate the groove. We articulate the groove. Don't be afraid to hold back and tease. Fullness, 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 and emptiness. Just remember to dance. This is physical music. Remember to dance. This is physical music. Now the last rule is that techno can be light. Techno can be as simple as 1, 2, 3, 4. Or it can be deep and spiritual. In the end, our human existence is nothing more than pulses, syncopations, unfurling over time as cosmic bodies. And we are one with the groove, we are one with the universe. Thank you for coming to my TED Talk. Those are my 10 rules for techno. My name is Oscar from Underdog. You can buy this track and its remixes on Bandcamp. Feel free to use the a cappella in whatever depraved and disgusting way you see fit. Love you all. Bye bye.